Hey everyone, so market has been selling off and a lot of value investors are now looking to get some good deals. And I got a lot of questions if ARK ETF is a good buy now or when do you see it going up again. So in this video, I'm going to be looking at the chart of ARK and use my 5 years of technical skills and analysis experience and give you my thoughts. Again, please make sure you do your own diligence but this is just my personal opinion, but I will give you a good guide of where to get in, where to get out, and how to do your technical analysis to find a good entry price. All right, so let's get started. So this is the chart. So looking at the chart of ARK right here, the first thing I notice here is that it is on a continuous downtrend, okay, with heavy volume. So I will not look to buy here. Also, I do not see any sign of it going up anytime soon, and the reason why was because look at these red candle right here, this wick right here. This tells me the stock came up and then got sold off again, especially high volume, which means there are more sellers than buyers at the moment. So I am not going to look at it to buy at all, not even gonna consider. All right, that's number one at the moment. So if you're looking to buy, no, not right now. Second thing is that now where do I see it going? So I see it going out here. What I see right now here is that the real support is around this area. So if I draw a line right here, and I connect all these dots, $49 is the value that I'm getting right here. That is the median value where, that's where the resistance was. Doesn't mean that it's going to come down and then just bounce, or it's going to come down here. It's possible that it would do something like this and have a nice bounce, and then eventually all the people who are stuck, people get out, and then goes down further and then touches, goes down a little more and then bounce hard. Okay, because that's where all the people who all the value investors will jump in right here, because this is the support. Could easily go down, anything could happen, but this is generally a good area. So let's just go down again, and I want to talk about my area that I might also get some around this area. So this is the area where there's a nice support right here. And so if it keeps continuing down, which is a good area, this is the area where we'll see a great bounce. I'm not saying that it's just not gonna continue keep going down, but it could come down and go up again, and then go up again, and then eventually come down here, which is the support area, and then bounce. Another area that I see right here is actually this area, which is this support, which is right here. We might see a bounce at $60. Okay, I might see a nice bounce at $60, but I think eventually it would come down to 40, 50. And then we might see, in fact, even more come down more eventually, okay, before it have a massive pickup again, if it does. So if you're looking to buy short, in short, if you're looking to buy, I wouldn't buy here. I would actually wait and divide my order into like three, and maybe get some here, here, and then here, and then wait, and then for a long term. Okay, and then you can get a nice bounce and make some money of it. But I wouldn't buy right now here. And if you are already holding, let's say if you're holding it, um, I wouldn't add down to my losers, and I would just hold for long term. Okay, because it is an ETF and it is an actively managed fund, and it is by Kathy Wood. So hopefully, in the long run, I think that this will perform well. All right, guys. So hope you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys later. Take care. Bye.